Hi there, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. I wanted to take a few minutes to review some install parameters that allow you to customize the appearance of the user interface. The first is App Logo. This install parameter controls the image displayed in the header of EAM. As you can see, I have the value pointed to the Digital Thinker logo. If you define a value, you'll also want to adjust the app LGWH install parameter. This install parameter allows you to control the width and height of the image displayed. While app logo controls the image displayed in the header, LGN logo controls the image displayed on the login page. In this environment, the value is blank, indicating that the default image will be used, which is the hexagon logo. So if I show you the login page, the image that you see here is based on the LGN logo install parameter. Next, we have the app name. And the value listed here will be displayed in the header and on the login page. So since this is our demo environment, the app name is Hexagon Demo. This could be production, training, test, dev, and so forth. But the value will be displayed in the header as well as on the login page. Another install parameter to be aware of is DB name. The value defined for DB name controls the information displayed in the top right corner. So in this environment, the value is hexagon demo, and then we are referencing a series of variables. Those variables are listed in the long description for your reference. So here I'm showing the user group, and the user org. I find this to be extremely helpful from a support standpoint because as I'm working with users, I can ask them to provide this information, which oftentimes helps to resolve and troubleshoot issues. Next is LGNDISCL. This install parameter allows you to display a message on the login page. So let's say, for instance, you have planned maintenance or maybe an upgrade. You can display that information on the login page simply by updating the install parameter value. And the final install parameter to review today is UI theme. UI theme impacts the look of EAM. This environment is set to the theme hex. Oftentimes I'll see the default, the dark blue, or even the orange. I like to associate a separate theme to each of my environments just as a way of helping to differentiate between, say, prod and a training environment. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for tuning in.